Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking coming at you with another Stouffer's macaroni and cheese leftover video. We got quite a bit left over. Let's go ahead and take this. So, anyone that is already subscribed to our channel knows that we do a lot of Stouffer's leftover macaroni and cheese concoctions. Well, we got another one for you. I had a couple ideas, and I came up with this one. Well, I'll tell you what the other idea was going to be. Look at that. Just kidding. I thought about doing macaroni and cheese and hot Italian sausage, because I love sausage. But I was thinking I'm doing too much sausage lately. So, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I got this idea. Nashville chicken macaroni and cheese. Leftover Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. The Nashville chicken. Oops. Let's move this over. We're going to get that warmed up. Now, this is what I did with the chicken, okay? Let me show you. That'll just warm up nicely. I've got all 4 burners on low. I sprayed it with some of this vegetable oil. That's okay. Go Jets. So I got some chicken breast, chicken tenders actually, and I cut them all up, got that nasty little tendon out of there. And then this is one of our favorite store-bought Nashville hot chicken spices. It's really good, and obviously the more you use, the spicier it's going to get. So that's what I did. I just cut it all up, cut my little chicken tenders up, put it in a bag with just a little bit of cornstarch, just a tiny bit, and then seasoned it up with that Nashville spice right there. And we've had this, and we have another full jar of it, and we love it. Yeah, so that's what we got going on here today. So I'm going to keep the chicken over here because it's raw right now, and we'll go over and get a look at this. Yeah, Stouffer's macaroni and cheese, just a weeknight meal. Stick it in the oven, come home from work, heat it up, eat it up, go to sleep. Big deal, right? How's everybody doing today? Do I got more to say? No, I do. I have more to say. So, I've got a video coming out. Did I drop some?
Yeah.
That's okay. The dogs will get it. I got a video coming out this, when is it? It's the 15th. It's the 15th. That's this week sometime. And it's a giveaway video. I'm giving away two items. That's right. 2 items. And they're not coming from me. They're coming from Monument Grills. Monument Grills got a hold of me and said, hey, Rob, we want to help promote your channel and promote our product. And we got a couple of things that we're going to be giving away from Monument Grills. That's right. So that'll be posted on the 15th. So pay attention. You could win a couple really good things from Monument Grills and Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking just in time for the holidays. And Monument Grills is going to be having a Black Friday sale too. So check that out. I'll share all that information. So hit the notification bell, right? If you don't have it on for Poor Guy. And if you're new here and you're not subscribed, now would be a great time to do it, because in order to win some of these fabulous prizes that I'll be giving away from Monument Grills, you have to be a subscriber. You have to subscribe to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, and you have to subscribe to Monument Grills. That's part of it. There's some rules involved with this because Monument Grills is giving away some nice things for Christmas time. Yeah, Christmas time is coming, everybody. Christmas time is coming. Yep. So we're cooking that chicken up nicely. We're getting this cooked up nicely. I thought at first it was going to be too much macaroni and cheese, but now that I look at the chicken, everything's going to be okay. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Got the dogs out here on a cloudy, cooler Oklahoma day. We don't mind it. part of the reason I don't mind it at all is because it's comfortable and there's no flies. No flies. Okay. Well, I'm going to let this cook up just a little bit more so I don't ramble on and bore everybody. And we'll get this incorporated once that chicken gets cooked up, and we'll mix it all together and bring it in the house and, of course, give it a taste test. Peace. Okay, look at the chicken's cooked up. I just tried a little piece. Man, I tell you, that's good. That Nashville chicken spice, wow, yummy. Poor guy out there cooking. Put that down. Let's get these incorporated. I'm going to put that there for now because if I put it there, one of the doggies will lick it. See the way this macaroni and cheese turns out? Tori, get a close up. I mean, look it gets nice and crispy. Oh, I tell you what, there is nothing wrong with eating this kind of food. I don't care who you are. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Those of you that are subscribed understand the way we do things. Those of you that are new, this is the way we do things. Budget, kind of budget meals that are still tasty. If we have any leftovers, we don't throw them out. We use them. I've done some different leftover Stouffer's macaroni and cheese videos, and I was starting to run out of ideas. But I got another one too, so we'll give that a try sometime. But we decided to go with the Nashville chicken. I'm telling you what, man, that spice, the chicken is cooked, it's tender. The macaroni and cheese is nice and crispy around the edges, and oh my goodness, then more cheese. Yeah, oh yeah, that's what I am talking about. Oh yeah, thank you, honey. There it is. Let's put a lid on that. Let's put a lid on that right now. I'm just saying, this is good old American food on Veterans Day. America, right? Thank you to all the veterans out there. A special veteran that's very close to us is Don and my son Zachary, Tori's brother, who served in the Army, the infantry, served overseas. We appreciate him and everybody else that has served. Those that are still around and have gone into a better place. We appreciate them, because without any of these folks, America wouldn't be what it is today. All right, America's a little bit broken right now. Things are a little out of whack. But at the end of the day, it's the best country in the world. So once we get this cheese melted on top, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. We're going to bring it in the house. Get a thumbnail best we can here, poor guy. Maybe Aiden's awake now, who knows? We're going to eat it right in front of all of you. So well, come on back and we'll be inside and give it a taste test. Peace. Look at you. My goodness.
That looks good.
This ain't no keto household, I can tell you that.
Okay.
All right, well, it's just the three of us. I got Don, Tori, and myself. Make sure you get some chicken in there, guys. Oh, yeah.
Tori needs help.
It made a ton of food.
Did you get it?
So we'll have leftovers of the leftovers. You got some chicken in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers, everybody.
That's good. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh, that's good.
Need some pickle juice drizzled on top.
Not a bad idea. Wow, that's good. Holy moly.
That's really good.
The Nashville chicken spice mixed with the macaroni and cheese. I don't know. I made a buffalo chicken one and I thought that was good. I'm going to tell you what. I think this is even better.
These are really good.
It is so good. And that little extra cheddar cheese on top. There's not a darn thing wrong with that.
Spicy
It's
little.
a little spicy, but this to be
Alright.
expected. This is good stuff. I know you can buy it on Amazon. We were buying it at Walmart. We stopped carrying it. We haven't bought it in a while. They might have it back, but if you like Nashville chicken, this is worth. I mean, this is just put it on there and do your thing, deep fry it, whatever you want to do. Anyway, that's good stuff. Whew, yeah, it's got some heat. I'm gonna get my beer. All right. Again, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and stay tuned on the 15th for a great giveaway from Monument Grills. Okay, peace.